Hey, good morning, traders. This is SMTrader. Today is November 14th. It is 9:43 a.m. Uh, wow, I just happened to look over at my P&L and man, this stock really moved here. I'm up 800 and something dollars here, but uh, I ended up taking this trade right here with two contracts on NQ, taking it up because I see that we are at the threshold level, the futures threshold level. So I'm looking for price to come back, break above this, and maintain above it. As long as we maintain above this, price is going to be bullish for the day. Um, one thing that concerned me was that here on the world's most perfect indicator, you see we're extended here, so we are going to have a pullback at some point. Okay, we are going to have a pullback at some point, but right now we are bullish. And then another concern of mine was that, so this is the 5-minute chart. So the futures threshold level is always on the 5-minute chart. This is the key level where that price is going to create polarity throughout the day, and price will exist above it or below it. So I executed there, but that is at the same level, basically where you see the current session open, prior session close. So we need to maintain above this level in order to move up. And then if we do, we're going to move to the next quarter level, which is right here. Okay, this line right here, this is the quarter level. As you can see, price came and the quarter level held price right here. Okay, now I took some trades. As you can see, I entered in with one contract here because we were maintaining above current session open. So that's always bullish sentiment. So I took the trade, took the entry here, and then sold here once I hit the quarter level, because I know that that quarter level is a key level right there that's going to serve to hold price down. So I'm in with one contract, sold, reversed the trade with 3 contracts. So now I got 2 contracts heading down, right? And then once I saw increased momentum, and again, this is a 20-minute chart. Each one of these candles is 20 minutes. So on a lower time frame, I can see that there was some good momentum in this candle here. So I went ahead and added on 2 more contracts for a total of 4, and then exited way down here, right? All right, so that was a perfect trade there based off of those levels. Now you can see how current session open and prior session close held price right here. So this is a no-brainer. You get the momentum heading down and you're just in this constantly. And what are you going to target? If you look at where price consolidated right here, that is exactly midway from here to here. It is exactly midway. And look at where this came down, right to the penny, to the penny. I'm telling you, these levels, they hit every single day on every single time frame. And you can literally predict where price is going to go. So this level held price so if you're in the trade here, you're targeting this level. Once you hit this level, if price doesn't reverse here, you're going to target the next level, which is mid ATR. So that was the next target. If this holds, you're going to target full ATR. And look, right down to the penny. Look at this wick. I mean, you cannot get more accurate than this. This is just incredible accuracy that is just very difficult to achieve. But with these ATR levels that I created, they are adaptive. They are adaptive. They expand and contract with price. They are unlike any other ATR tool out there available in the world. This is the backbone of my trading. I can eliminate everything and just trade with this, and I can call out levels where price is going to go to the penny every single time. But so now we see that price is broken back above this. So remember what I said is that price needs to maintain above this. So now we're at, wow, our P&L is $3,830 with 2 contracts on NQ. That is crazy. So Another reason why, because when you have this threshold and when you have current session open, prior session close at the same level, that is a very, very strong area right there. And then you can also see with the inversion level, see how this precedes price. Here's the price candlesticks. This precedes price. This is the inversion level in the market where price will fold in on itself and it'll have an extreme move. So you see, whenever you have that's that extreme move right there. So price comes back for the retest and holds this level, and then boom, it accelerates. So so once you have this and this threshold also here is crossing here, just a culmination of things. So you're going to have a big price move. So we're at $3,700 right now in profit. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Let me see. Let's just bring this over here so that you can see exactly what I'm looking at here. Let's bring this on over. So there you go. All right, so that's where we are. This is the total P&L for the day. This is the current trade right here, and here's the level. Here's current session open, prior session close, breaking over the inversion. Prior session open, current session open, prior session close, breaking over the inversion level right here. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 5 minutes so you can take a look at that on the 5 minute. And this is the thing I want to, you guys need to understand is that trading is all about levels. If you're not trading from a level, don't enter on candlesticks randomly. Just don't do it. You have to develop a system where where price is reacting to certain levels. The most professional traders trade this way. All right, so we need to maintain above this. So what did we attack? So we're going to attack the mid level right here. This is what price is going for, this mid level. If we hold this and we break, we're going to attack mid ATR right here. So so now we're at $3,700 or where we were, but we just came back down. So it's going to fluctuate, right? And so now we're getting some divergence right here. And of course, we know we're going to get this because once you break above this level here, price is going to come back, and people are going to be taking profit booking right here and exiting their trades, and so it's going to pull back and then it's going to spring back up. All right. So see, we're right back up at $3,700 right there. And again, let's see. We can also look at the dashboard and we see that we're completely bullish on this, right? We know that we need to be in this trade right now. Look, the accumulation distribution is, let me move this other chart over here. There we go. Accumulation distribution is all bullish right there. And yeah, we're looking good. Deltas are looking good. Strong buy signals. Man, we're doing, now we're up at 4,000. We were at 4,000, just dropped. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and flatten this right here. But see, this makes trading so much easier. I'm not looking at dojis. I'm not looking at triangle patterns, cup and handle. I'm not using Bollinger Bands, parabolic SAR, MACD. I'm not using any of that stuff. I'm just simply looking at key levels in the market where price is going to react. And looking at my my PAT here, see, there was no indication for me to exit that trade. But I'm going to go ahead and take that $4,000. So actually total P&L $7,140. But there is no reason to exit this trade. And it's just, and if I had took that entry from right down here, which once you hit the lower ATR, that is always a bullish signal to take that trade to the upside. Yes, it could continue down, and sometimes it does. Okay, so here's the here's the lower ATR. Once you come down and hit this, yeah, it could continue down, but it will always come back. Even if you took this entry here and you lost money, you went into the negative, it will always, almost, I'll say, yeah, almost, not always. It will routinely come back, and so, but you can have your stop in, and if it doesn't, whatever, and then you take your exit. But typically it's going to go ahead and come back, and it's going to come back and attack the next level here. So yeah, so we're trying to attack this mid level right here, and I may do another video to show you where this thing goes. Ultimately, it will come to attack this level right here. Very rarely do I see it go from the lower ATR all the way up to the upper ATR. So we could possibly attack this level and then just kind of go sideways here. And yeah, so great trade there. All right, guys, I'm out. See you guys next week. Take care.